Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's World and happy Wednesday. So today I have another unboxing video. I went shopping on Sunday the 31st of August late, and I went to Target in Glenfield, and I stumbled across this toastie maker. It's a toastie maker that you can put your toaster in and you can cook it in the microwave. Now, isn't that bloody cool? I think it's bloody great. So let me just grab one of my box cutters. I'm going to use this little bare one. And let's get into this. So I actually bought, as I said, I bought this from Target for $10. But it is the same brand as Kmart, which is a Coda. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Kmart and Target is actually a shared company. Well, it used to be. It's now separate shops. Let's get into this bad boy. And I got a pink one, obviously. Let's put this box cutter away now so I do not cut myself, because I would hate to do that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the instructions, not much. So it says this can be used in the microwave only, so you can't put it anywhere else. Kids can't use it. It is machine washable. About 3 minutes you can put your sandwich to make it to a toastie. You have to put it in for 3 minutes. Yeah. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a sandwich container, but it's actually not. So this is how you open it. Whoa. So it has the word yum in it, which I thought was like really cool. Because every time I make the best delicious toasties with our actual toaster maker that we spend like $180 on, my mum always says yum. So I thought to buy her, well, I bought it for me and to her to try, because yeah. So how you would do it is you would put your slice of bread on, your cheese, your turkey or your chicken breast, and your cucumber or tomato, and then you put your second slice on of bread. And then with this part, you would just place it on like this. And then with the places, like with the clips, you put this one on first, and that one, and then you would put it into the microwave for 3 minutes, and then you would get a delicious toastie like this. Now I think that's like really handy, because every time I want a toastie, I have to go to my pantry, grab out the toastie maker, plug it in, wait for it to heat up, and then put the bread or the sandwich into it to make a toastie. That is too much work. So that's the reason why I thought to buy this. And it's like really sturdy. So, and also you don't need any cables for this. So, and unfortunately it's only for the microwave only. It does say in fine print, you can't see, but it's only meant for the microwave. So don't be putting it in the oven, in the deep fryer. Don't be adding it anywhere except the bloody microwave. But yeah, so I do apologize that this was such a short video. I thought there was actually going to be more to it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And put your comments down below if you own a microwavable toastie maker. Bye guys, see you next time.